Salutations, respected viewers. This is how you fix the Xbox recording clip queued for upload problem. Like, I have this problem all the time, and loads of people I know also have this problem. Basically, there's some guy on YouTube that said you just restart that console. That doesn't work. What you need to do is you trim the clip you want. You go to edit and then look. This random clip of Resident Evil. Ready? Oh. We'll change it by like 1 second. Save. We'll trim the video. Oh. Then you upload to the Xbox network. There you go. Do it that way. And then delete the original clip that's glitched and not posted and not uploaded.